Hey everyone, if your AOC monitor keeps going black, I'm here to help you fix it. Let's dive right in. To fix the issue, check your cables. A loose or damaged cable can cause your monitor to lose signal. Make sure all connections are secure and try a different cable if possible. Then, date your graphics drivers. An outdated driver can cause display issues. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers. Check your power settings. Sometimes, your computer's power management settings can turn off the monitor. Go to your control panel, then Power Options, and make sure your display is set to stay on. Try a different monitor or computer. This helps determine if the issue is with your monitor or the computer itself. If another monitor works fine, the problem is likely with your AOC monitor. Reset your monitor to factory settings. This can resolve many issues by restoring default configurations. Find the reset option in your monitor's on-screen menu. If none, this helps to fix the issue. Then test for overheating. Overheating can cause the monitor to turn off to prevent damage. Ensure your monitor has adequate ventilation and isn't placed in a confined space. These steps should help you fix the issue with your AOC monitor. If you're still facing issues, then it might be time to contact AOC customer support for further assistance. I hope this video helps you to overcome this issue. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe and share the video.